Okay, so here's my relay. I splice in. Basically, when the relay off, the ground side of the buzzer 87A and 30, they will be connected, and the ground for relay too. I just splice it in, just make it simpler. And then when this brake switch activated, it will turn on the relay, and the relay will disconnect 30 and 87A. We will break the round side of the buzzer. The buzzer won't work, but it's still flashing. So here's in action. So if you sit at the stoplight and it's annoying you, just apply the brakes, which you should anyway, to keep your bike from rolling. Same thing, either handbrake or foot brake. If you have to stop at a long stoplight and the buzzer is annoying you, okay, I think this is a good addition to it. Thank you for watching.